Hi, Wellesley here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, I invite you to hit that subscribe button. That way you get my latest videos as soon as they are available. Alright, today I'm actually in the hills of cool Trelawny, way up in the hills, specifically Albertown. And I'm here to drove several miles. I'm here to explore, to learn more a little about one of Jamaica and specifically Trelawny, one of Trelawny's best product, the good old Jamaican yam. I just came out a little outside of the square, Albertown, and I'll be speaking with Jermaine, one of the original roast yam vendors here, to learn more about what he does. Sir Jermaine, how you doing, man? All right, good. Nice to meet you, and nice to be here. You are roasting yam, Trelawny yam. All right, good. Tell me a little about what you do. How long have you been in the business here?
About 20 years now.
20 years. Yeah. Okay. And how is it going? All right. Well, you know yam is actually yam. We love it, right? Roasted, fried, cooked, steam, whatever it is. What else to do with it? All right. So how do you sell it? How do you prepare your yam? How do you sell it here now? 300 and 400 a plate. And what do I get in the plate? Saltfish, salt mackerel, chicken back, cabbage. Okay. You have any available now? So this is right now. What you're doing right now? So this is roasted. The process of roasting the yam.
Yeah.
All right. So we have wood fire, and the yam is on top of a grill. Huh?
Yam and potato.
Yam and a roast potato too.
Yeah.
All right. So that's the icing on the cake.
Yeah.
All right. Good. I'm gonna ask you to prepare one for me.
Yeah.
You have saltfish, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Give me one with the saltfish. All right, but while you're doing that, my brother, I'm gonna ask you a few questions about Trelawny. Cause this town is known for yam. You say in Bowl Country, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So what is so special about yam? What about Trelawny yam?
No, so we need to Trelawny yam make us strong.
Make us strong.
Yeah.
Okay. I have different type of yam.
Yeah. Couple with a yam.
Like, so what type of yam? Different. What kind of yam?
You have yellow yam, you have nigger yam, you have
Lucy, yellow yam,
Vincent.
and Vincent.
Yeah, black fish, you have round leaf.
Okay.
Yeah.
All of them.
Yeah.
So what do customers tend to prefer though? They have a preference for which type of yam?
They prefer the yellow yam.
They prefer the yellow yam.
Yeah, yellow yam and potato.
Why? Why do you think they prefer the yellow yam?
No, the yellow yam, you try it. You must have that a little more something, more power.
Okay. Good. More power. Alright. But it's something I love to you, man. Roasted yam, you know.
Yeah.
Roasted yam. So tell me a little bit about the business though. Because I know you've been here for a while.
Yeah, this is not too bad. I don't know the yam and
The yam there.
yeah.
Oh, so you actually buy the yam from local people?
Yeah.
Oh, and then you prepare it here. So you don't plant the yam? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. How you doing? All right, good. Man, interview my brother here, man. All right, so what you have in here now, my brother?
I have this baked bean and saltfish.
Baked bean and saltfish. Nice. Yeah, man, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, man, give me some of that. That look good.
You want to mackerel pan it?
Yeah, man, put everything on it.
Go in there, mackerel pan.
All right, nice. Mackerel, salt mackerel.
Salt mackerel.
All right, so how you cook that? Wait, what is on that?
Onion and tomato.
Okay, all of that stuff.
Scotch bonnet.
Scotch bonnet pepper. All right, cool. All right, and you just serve it. You normally just serve it up like that.
Yeah.
All right. Any. So you are here in Trelawny. How can? All right, just put it down right. Let's put it down there anywhere, my brother. I'm gonna take it from you soon. Thank you. How, if people are interested in coming and to check out your your food. Or they can find you. Let's say they arrive in Montego Bay at the airport. Or they reach you.
No, I roast them every day.
You roast them every day? Okay. So they would just, this is Albertown. So the directions to here would be...
When you leave Jackson and come up, find like Albertown, you have to pass.
Alright, so Falmouth side. The Falmouth Road.
Yeah.
Falmouth. And then turn.
You come Jackson Town, you turn left.
And go Jacksontown.
No, you come Clarkstown from Jackson.
Oh, Clarkstown. Then Jacksontown and head up here.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. And you're at Jermaine again. You want to share your number just in case anybody want to reach out to you? 30 20 6 23.
Yeah.
Alright, nice. You still have the Yam Festival here?
Yeah, they didn't get it last week.
Last week?
Sincere.
Really?
Last week, sorry, sincere.
Yeah, man.
They didn't try it.
Easter thing. I wish I know about it. I would be here, you know. Anyway, thank you so much for your time, man. I appreciate it. Go ahead, sample some of the food, eh? Pass it for me, eh? Alright? Thank you for your time, man. Appreciate it. One love. I'll be back. Blessings, man. Thank you. Thank you, Jermaine.